What is going on, YouTube? Today we are going to be doing a little bit of trail riding. Me and my friend Cody riding his Honda CRF250R, and my friend Alan on his YZ125. We're at a new spot. I've never been here before. A bunch of cool trails in the woods here along these railroads, and we're just going to explore, see what we can find, and have a great day like always. Gotta remember exactly where this thing goes. On this way, all right, and then there's this little rock. Fun little climb up to start the trails. Oh, check that out. Cool. Do we think we can handle that one? It's got like a little vertical bump there. Yeah, I think we'll be all right. All right, Cody's standing right at the line that I think I'm going to hit, so I'm literally going to run straight into him. See what happens.
I didn't think you were going to do it.
That one?
Gnarly, dude. I didn't know you were going straight up. I thought you were going to go to the...
Yeah, when I saw you stand up here, I was like, I'm either going to run right into him or he's going to jump out at the last second.
Oh! I got your bike. You good? You made it look so easy. And I just made it look like so hard.
It's just momentum. Second gear, hold the throttle all the way up. You got it.
Oh, well, I gotta work on this one. Yeah.
Hey, Abu. I give you props for trying it though, bro.
I was like, I gotta try it. I want to try it again. I just don't want to have to get it down again.
Hill climbs are great until you have to muscle your bike all the way down it. So I gotta get my speed up and just pop my front wheel like off the first route and bounce up over the second route. Probably the best option there. Woo! Yeah, like I said, that first route just like pops your front wheel over the top one. Going to the hill climb, making our way. Over the railroad tracks we go. Look both ways so we don't get hit by a train. Ooh, off camber. Oh, we got some more climbs. You got some climbs, but the run up is ass.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm having a hard time picking exactly where I'm gonna cross this little creek to go up it. The 150 that could, man. She gets up that no problem. So I don't typically ride in spots where you can get in trouble for riding, but since we're riding through the back of this shopping center parking lot, I'm going to ask you guys a question. I want to hear in the comments, give me some of your best stories of like the sketchiest places you've rode, or the number of times you got the cops called on you for riding at a certain spot, or have you ever been involved in like a cop chasing you down the road and you're running away on the dirt bike and you gotta veer off into the woods to get away. I'd love to hear the stories. The two-stroke echoing through that tunnel was cool, or under the bridge. Cool. I don't know, guys, can we handle that? You might be able to just ride right over top of it. Oh, look at this one. There's another one right here. Alright, you guys can officially call me an enduro rider now. I went over a little tree ramp. Little ramp man out of trees. I'm basically Graham Jarvis. Some single track here, bud. Gotta use that clutch to climb that one. Oh, that was sick. Yeah. There's like a little creek crossing here. Oh yeah, this piece of cake. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Yeah, that clutch. Yeah, buddy. All right, there's like a little homeless camp there. We're not going to go there. Did you see the big homeless camp? He was right there.
There was a guy?
Oh yeah, he had his full, it looked like a whole house. So the reason I got out of there and I just said, nah, I'm gonna turn around. Taylor told me a couple weeks ago, some homeless guy had a gun and tried to stop a dirt biker and rob him. So as soon as I saw that camp, I was like,
let's get the
I'll just ride past it.
Yo!
Cody! Answer your phone. Yep, get out of here.
What happened?
God came after us, dude.
Yeah, I saw. That's why I ran. That's why we got separated. Some guy at the homeless camp yelled at me, and that's why I fucking dipped.
Alright, so I heard a rumor a couple weeks ago about some guy that lives out here in the woods threatening someone with a gun. So we're just gonna get the f out of here.
Here's a little camp over there. He's like, I see you. Get the f away from me before I kill you.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, we're out. Yeah, we're out.